Conversation 8. Have you noticed how people rarely listen to understand anymore? They listen to reply. Absolutely. It's like everyone is in debate mode all the time. Exhausting, isn't it? Very. Authentic conversations feel rare now, which is sad because understanding someone deeply is rare and valuable. Maybe that's why it feels meaningful when it does happen. Maybe we just need to slow down and stop assuming we already know what the other person is going to say. That alone would solve half the world's misunderstandings. Part 3. Short phrases you can use. Let's practice together. I'll speak slowly. Repeat after me if you want. I dream of. My dream is to. I hope to. I plan to. I'm going to. One day I want to. These simple sentences will help you talk about the future clearly and naturally. Part 4. A small story. The Dreamer from Mexico. Let me tell you a short story to help you understand dreams and goals in real life. There was a girl named Crystal from Mexico. Crystal always dreamed of studying in Canada. She imagined walking through a big university, meeting new people, learning new things. But she was scared. Her English wasn't good. She didn't have much money. She didn't know anyone in Canada. Her dream felt far away, almost impossible. But instead of giving up, Crystal created goals. She decided to study English for 1 year, to save a little money each month, to apply to 3 universities. And guess what? After 1 year, she was accepted. Her dream came true because she turned it into a goal. Dreams need action. Goals create progress. Part 5. Talking about dreams when you are unsure. Not all dreams feel strong in the beginning. Sometimes you're unsure. Sometimes you're afraid to say them out loud. Here are gentle phrases you can use. I'm thinking about. I'd love to. One day I want to. These phrases show soft hope, quiet confidence, and honesty. Examples. I'm thinking about changing my job. I'd love to learn to play piano. One day I want to open a small cafe. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need every detail. Just start with one soft sentence. Part 6. Reasons make your answer stronger. When someone asks, "Why is that your dream?" you can answer using because. My dream is to live near the ocean because I feel peaceful near water. I want to learn English because I want to meet people from different countries. The word because makes your answer warm, personal, human. People connect with reasons. Part 7. Short-term goals versus long-term goals. We have 2 kinds of goals. Short-term goals, soon. Long-term goals, later. Examples. My short-term goal is to finish this project by Friday. My long-term goal is to become fluent in English. Short-term goals give quick progress. Long-term goals give direction. Part 8. Helpful goal phrases. Repeat these slowly. I'm working towards. I'm aiming to. I'm trying to. Examples. I'm working towards getting better at English.
I'm aiming to read more books this year. These phrases make your English sound natural and confident. Part 9. When dreams change. Dreams can change, and that's okay. It's normal. You can say, I used to dream of, but now I want to. I used to want to, but now I prefer to. Examples. I used to dream of being a doctor, but now I want to be a writer. I used to want to live in a big city, but now I prefer a quiet town. Changing your dream doesn't mean you failed. It means you grew. Part 10. Obstacles. The walls we face. Sometimes people say, I can't do it because I'm too old. I don't have time. I don't have money. These are obstacles, challenges, not stop signs. You can say, it's challenging, but I'm not giving up. I'm finding ways to reach my goal. I'm working hard despite the difficulties. These sentences show strength and hope. Part 11. A second story. Jesse from Brazil. Jesse from Brazil dreamed of becoming a professional soccer player. He trained every day, practiced hard, watched videos, played with passion. But when he turned 18, he got injured. His dream seemed impossible. For months he felt lost, sad, confused. But then he realized something important. He didn't need to play soccer to be part of soccer. So he created a new dream, to become a coach, to teach young players. Now, 5 years later, he coaches a team of children and loves his work. His dream didn't die. It transformed. Part 12. Celebrating small wins. A small win is a tiny success that shows you're moving forward. If your dream is to learn English, a small win is learning a new word, speaking one sentence, watching one English video, finishing a short story. Say this to yourself. I'm proud of myself because I achieved something small today. Small wins build big dreams. Part 13. SMART goals. Simple version. Here is an easy method to make your goals stronger. S is specific. M is measurable. A is achievable. R is relevant. T is time-bound. Example. I want to practice English for 20 minutes 3 times a week for the next 2 months. Clear, simple, doable. Part 14. Staying motivated. Motivation is not magic. It's a habit. Here are simple tips. Remember why you started. Tell someone your goal. Put a picture of your dream where you can see it. Break big goals into small steps. Reward yourself for progress. Even 10 minutes a day can change your life over time. Part 15. Confident phrases for real conversations. Repeat slowly. My dream is to. My goal is to. I hope to. I plan to. One day I want to. I'm working towards. I'm aiming to. It's challenging, but I'm not giving up. I'm proud of myself because. These sentences make you sound natural, fluent, and confident. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope this episode helped you find the words for your dreams and the courage to express them. Remember, your dreams matter. Your goals matter. They are not too big, not too small, not impossible. Speak about them. Write about them. Take one small step today. And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. This is Jordan, wishing you hope, clarity, and courage on your English journey. Take care, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next episode.